How to use affiliate marketing. If you're really hoping to make money by creating content online, you need to know that it won't always be easy. It won't happen overnight, and most of the time you'll have to put in a lot of work to start adding money to your bank account via your blog, website, or web videos. But it is possible. Sometimes you just need to get creative about how you drum up revenue. One of the most common ways that content creators accumulate financial windfalls is via affiliate marketing. In fact, it's become a very common way for creators to make money, even if they haven't been in the game for a very long time. But what is affiliate marketing? How does it work? How does someone get started with it, and what are its biggest benefits? In today's tutorial, let's examine affiliate marketing and how you can use it. So, what is affiliate marketing? Well, that's an easy question with a straightforward answer. Simply put, affiliate marketing is when a content creator promotes another company's product or services in return for a commission of the sales generated. You've probably seen this multiple times, especially with some of the more popular YouTube stars who make money off of vlogging. They might take a quick break at the beginning, middle or end of their video to talk briefly about a product. That is affiliate marketing, and it can work wonders for you. When you want to use affiliate marketing, you must first start by deciding which platform you'll invest your time in. Is it your YouTube channel? Maybe you're going to start marketing on Twitter or TikTok. Whatever choice you make, stick with it, especially at the beginning. You need to really improve your audience, work on creating content that brings them back again and again, and stay consistent with your schedule. All of this matters a lot to companies who will market through you. Now it's time to find the products you will be marketing. That's easier than you might imagine. There are a slew of affiliate marketplaces on the web, including ones such as ShareASale, Flex Offers, ClickBank, CJ Affiliate, and more. Your options may be limited at first, but as you build an audience, continue to churn out content and show your worth to businesses, you'll get more opportunities to shine. You should always consider your audience when you are agreeing to do marketing. Don't sign on to pitching products that make no sense for the people you create content for. Will these products connect with my fans? Can I seem authentic when pitching this product? You need to ask yourself these things when you're starting your first affiliate program. After you have products to sell, you have to stay consistent with your content. You'll be making money based on the number of sales, clicks, and interactions the company finds via your work. Therefore, if you aren't constantly creating new content that has ads and therefore sales opportunities for the business advertising with you, then you aren't going to make money and you aren't going to get more chances from other product or service providers. The more work you put in, the more you'll get out of affiliate marketing. This is something that can be hugely beneficial to you, but only if you put in the effort. As with all things related to your content, you need to pour 100% of yourself into affiliate marketing. Remember, you're playing with the trust of your audience when you attempt to sell them things, so make sure that you do not let them down or take them for granted.